guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you are new here, my name is PREET. Welcome to my channel. So today we would be creating this Karwa Chauth special look. And first of all, wishing you all a very happy Karwa Chauth. अगर आप लोग मना रहे हैं और जिन्होंने नहीं रखा है उनके लिए भी happy Karwa Chauth. So I will be sharing this tutorial with you guys where I will be creating this beautiful festival look with that pinch of cat eye effect and little bit of glitter effect. So let's just get started and let me show you guys how I created this look. And before, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon. So let's begin. So I'm going to be cleaning my skin using a LMS Dynamic pads, which is actually built up for removing all the dirt and everything from your face. And then after cleaning my face, I'm going to be using my favorite moisturizer, which is a hydrogenous moisturizer from L'Oreal Paris. Once moisturizer is done, I'm going to be using a Farsili primer. Now this is a product which I recently started using, and this product works so beautiful. Highly recommended, guys. It's such a nice primer, stays forever, like super long. Then for my lips, I'm using a Kosas Sport Lip Fuel, and I will be moisturizing my lips as well. For foundation, I'm using a Photo Focus foundation from Wet n Wild Beauty. This Photo Focus foundation is one of my favorite foundation. I love wearing this foundation, whether it's festival wear, day-to-day purpose. This one is long lasting. It's like super light on my skin, so I love wearing this foundation. I will be blending this foundation using a beauty blender. For the concealer, I'm taking Infallible concealer from L'Oreal Paris, applying it on under my eyes, little bit on my forehead just to highlight that area, nose and nearby my lip area. Now using a damp beauty blender, I will be blending my concealer. For the loose powder, I'm taking banana loose powder from Milani Cosmetics, which is again my favorite product, and I will be applying it on the areas, like mainly focusing on the areas where I've applied the concealer. Contour stick, I'm taking a Fenty Beauty contour stick, applying it on the high points of my cheeks, little bit on my forehead, jawline. Also, I will be contouring my nose, and using a contour brush, I will be blending that contour into my skin so that it looks natural. Move on to our eyebrows. I'm using eyebrow pencil by Minted Cosmetics, and I will be drawing, like I usually start by drawing a simple line on the eyebrow, and then I start filling it in. And just in case you have done any mistake, I always use a concealer and then a flat eyebrow brush, and I just clean the eyebrow area so that it looks more neat and clean. For the eyeshadow primer, I'm using Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer, applying it little bit on my eyes, giving it 2 minutes so that it settles down. And then for the palette, eyeshadow palette, today I'm using a whatever eyeshadow palette from ColourPop, which has beautiful color. So the first color which I'm going to be using is a Copycat, and I will be using this color as my transition color and applying it all over my eyelid. The next color which I'm going to be using is Maybe Later. It's kind of a little orangish peachy shade, and then I will be applying it mainly below my crease area. So applying this color a little bit on the outer corners. Now for the glitter effect, I'm using a pressed glitter from Kaja Beauty, and the color which I'm using today is like kind of little wineish pinkish color, and I will be applying it on the 2/3 part of my eye, like the front ends. Just see that glitter, it's so beautiful, so natural, looks so beautiful. Now once that is done, I'm going to dive into Maybe Later color again, and then I will be mixing the shimmer and the Maybe Later color together on the outer corner so that they just create a transition and blend in together. Now the last color which I'm going to be taking is a Duh. It's just kind of a little glitter, pressed glitter. I will be exactly applying it on the areas where I've applied the pressed glitter from Kaja, just to give it more glitter effect, shimmerish effect. I've also done a little wing eyeliner, and then for the mascara, I'm using Lily Lashes mascara, applying it on both of my eyelashes. For the fake eyelashes, I've used jade eyelashes from Huda Beauty. Now for my waterline, I've used a black kajal, like a dark black kajal, and then I'm going to be smoking it out using a pencil brush, and then taking a little bit off maybe later, and I will be applying it on the lash line, and then I will be just smoking it out. For the bronzer today, I'm taking a Hoola bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics, again applying it on the apple of my cheeks, little bit on my jawline, forehead, and then little bit on my nose just to contour it. For blush, I'm taking Cheeky Stamps from Kaja Beauty. Just look at that, how cute are these stamps in the heart shape. And then using a blush brush, I will be blending it out into my skin so that it looks natural. Such a handy product. I love this stamp. And for the highlighter, I am taking a Wet n Wild highlighter, applying it on the high points of my cheeks, and then a little bit on the nose tip and on my nose bridge, and also applied it a little bit on my forehead and my eyebrow bones. For the lipstick, I am using a Super Stay Matte lipstick from Maybelline. The shade, unfortunately, I just forget it. So everything is mentioned on the description box. Make sure you check it out. For setting my makeup, I'm using a Radiant Finish setting spray from NYX Cosmetics. So that's it, guys. That's my final look. I just tried keeping this look quite simple. So I'm not pairing up with too much of jewelry. I just wore a little nut, which has been given to me by Suhana Art and Jewels. Make sure you guys check out their page. Their page is mentioned down below. So that's my final look, you guys. Super easy. I just love. I think it's perfect for Karwa Chauth because it's easy, simple at the same time, but definitely looks glamorous and beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Just in case you guys like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. I'm gonna catch you guys soon with a brand new video, but make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye. I love you guys so much. Bye bye.